Another option when doing research papers is Google Scholar. You will find Google Scholar simply by Googling Google Scholar, like here, and click on the link. You can enter in anything. If I wanted to look up something about Mark Twain, I'm going to go to his autobiography. It's similar to other databases. Over on the left, you're still going to have your filters. EBSCOhost and ABC Clio have filters that are a little more complex, enable you to filter out and limit more, but you still have custom ranges. Here you can sort by relevance or sort by date. And one very nice thing about Google Scholar, as with the other ones, is always make sure to include citations. Over here, when you click on these little quotation marks, you will see that you have MLA, APA, Chicago, anything you need already cited for you. You just need to copy and paste it into your works cited page. Another nice thing is Google Scholar offers not only articles, but books as well. So let's say you want to get a hold of a biography here that we don't have in the library. Go ahead and try and find it there. Click on the link and you'll see that it's been scanned in for you by Google. And over here on the left, they can even let you know whether it's available as an ebook that you could buy immediately or if you wanted to get it in print. Otherwise, you can read probably not all, but a big chunk of it online if that is helpful to you.